you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are working on this bright neon look right over here. This look is requested by Heather. This has happened to be her favorite color and she wanted to see my take on it. And you guys, thank you for requesting, because every time you guys request me to do a certain look, it actually makes me want to try something new, and it really takes me out of my comfort zone. And today, for the first time, I tried a look like this. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you guys are interested in how to achieve this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe before you head on start. And without further ado, let's get right on to the video. Alright you guys, so today, as you guys know, we're doing something very bright green, you guys, and I also have something very affordable. This is the BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana 28 color foil eyeshadow palette, you guys. My Dare to Create 39A palette by Morphe Cosmetics, you guys. I just recently purchased this from Ulta Beauty, and I am pretty happy with this palette, you guys, except for the fact that it is a little more huge because of storage wise. But other than that, you guys, literally kicked me out of the frame. But this is a very beautiful palette. I did swatch some of the shades and they are so pretty. So let me know if you guys want to say a red eye makeup tutorial next, because I am really digging this shade right over here. So that's what I want to do for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of the transition shades from this palette for you guys and whatnot, and that's what I'm looking at. Now that I think of it, this palette actually don't have any of the highlighting shade. It has plenty of transition shades to pick from, however. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here, is Giza, from this palette right over here. This is Julia's Mini Masquerade palette, you guys. And the BH Cosmetics one has a white shade but not a highlight shade. Like, I wouldn't use that as a highlight, it'll be too intense. I'm gonna go ahead and take that, take any highlight shade of your choice, tap off the excess and apply that. You guys, I'm really digging my brows, and I do want to let you guys know I actually did my brows, like outlined them using the JCat Beauty Perfect Duo Pencil, which glided on just fine. I'm trying to find the shade as I'm talking to you guys. This one right here is in dark brown, you guys. This is by JCat Beauty and it is very affordable. It has this pulley on the other end, travel friendly and everything. I think I need to purchase some more so I can put that in my travel kit. But this is so awesome. Like, I outlined it and then all I had to do is take my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, and this one right here is an ash brown, and then I filled that in. I felt like I didn't even have to carve out my brows. That's how amazing my brows look. Like, they're just so perfect. The brushes are still a little wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually take a transition shade, you guys. This one right here is called Bear from this palette. I'm gonna go and take that. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply that into my crease like I always do. And this time I'm taking that onto a little bit of a fluffy brush. I will mix Bear and Canvas right next to it to create my own custom shade, because I felt like Bear was a little too light for my skin tone. So you guys, my new year was great. Like, it could have been better than that. Because of my health, I just couldn't enjoy it as much as I could have, but other than that, all my friends and family, like, we were all just sat down, we played games and danced and ate food and stuff like that. Like, it was awesome. I mean, what else do you want? Like, it was really good time hanging out with good people. Like, that is what I want. Like, you know, this is how, you guys, isn't this the neatest transition shade possible? Like, this is pretty. Wow, this palette is good. This shade is very, very pretty. I'm really liking it as a transition shade. The reason why I like to update you guys onto my health, just because if I am missing in action and you guys are wondering where I'm at, do know that this is probably because I cannot tough it out today. Like, I'm in pain today, and I actually took a pill before coming up here to film this video for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that onto my lower lash line as well. I feel like that saves a lot of time and it looks very pretty at the same time. So this is one of the advantages of having your makeup done first. This is a very beautiful transition shade, you guys. If I were to go to work tomorrow, then I would just wear this look, have mascara, and out the door. This is awesome. Take another brush, and this time I will take a deeper tone of a brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade called Cut Crease, which is this one right over here. And just gonna go ahead and apply the first shade into my crease to kind of create more depth and warmth. The brush I'm using to blend this is C441 Pro Blending Crease brush, you guys. Wow, that was easy to blend. There's no fallout, you guys. I was debating if I should buy this palette or not, because it only has mostly transition shades, and then whatever color it has, like, I can find that into the in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I do own one. So, but I felt like I'm just gonna go and buy it anyways, and I'm glad I did because I'm really liking this. You know what, you guys, I'm gonna bring it to all the way towards the inner corner and then blend that. Going back with the same brush we used earlier, I'm gonna blend this. All right. I will now take a pointed brush like this one, and I will go ahead and take the shade called Expression, which is a darker, richer chocolate color from this. Just gonna go ahead and apply that towards the outer corner. I'm going to pack it. If you guys hear a crackling sound, that's actually my candle behind me. I ran out of my Bath & Body Works, and that's the only one I had up here from last time. I thought bright green color would be perfect with some warm and brown colors, so that's why I picked these. And just go back to the crown brush and just blend the outer edges of this. Make it look very nice and clean. No harsh edges. Alright, you guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with my MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre, which is what I had actually used to prep my eyes today, and I did a very thin layer this time. I'm taking my Crown Brush C224 Oval Concealer brush, this one right over here, you guys. I'm going to go and take some of that paint pot on it, and I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease. Make sure you blend the edges of this. I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat synthetic brush, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that bright green color we talked about, just press that right on top of that. You guys, do you see the intensity of this eyeshadow palette? OMG. This is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I haven't even wet my brush yet, so I'm gonna go and still wet my brush and see how intense can it get. You guys, this is a beautiful palette. Wow, I'm really liking this shade. Wow. Go Going back with this other brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the same dark brown color again. I'm gonna go ahead and pack it and also clean any of this, you know, blotchiness that I've got going on. I want to make sure that they all look well blended into one another. Blend this into the brown. I don't want the brown to go over the green. Just gonna blend the green into the brown, you guys. That looks amazeballs. This is gorgeous. This is really pretty. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye and I'll be right back for the lower lash line. Guys, now that we have our lid on, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on to the lower lash line. For that, first shade I will be taking is actually this brown right over here. Alright, you guys, I'm now going to go ahead and take the Tarte Cosmetics. This is their Clay Pot in Margarita. I've always been wanting to use this, you guys, and never had the opportunity to do so, and I feel like today would be perfect. I can use it, either do a wing liner towards the outer corner only, or I can use it into my waterline, or I can also outline my eyes. Like, these are the few options that I personally could just come up with. So I'm still debating as to what I really want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them, see how pigmented they are, and then depending on that, wow, that looks pretty. So, okay, all right, so I think in the waterline it'll be a little too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually create a wing liner with that. As you guys can see, I'm not going to take it all the way because there's no point. We're not going to see it. So we're just going to go ahead and create a wing at the outer corner only. I'm just trying to darken this up, you guys. That's all I'm doing at this moment, at this point, because it's, like I said, not as intense. I'm gonna go ahead and try the Pebble Beach by Cargo Cosmetics, which is like a brown eyeliner. Try any brown eyeliner, and then if I need to, I'll go back with a black eyeliner later on top of it to intensify it. But I felt like let's take a slow step. This is the first time I'm working with something super bright neon color, so I want to make sure that it turns out okay. I'm going to go ahead and take my flat definer brush by Sigma Beauty, same dark chocolate color we applied towards the outer corner onto this, and just apply along the lash line. I'm going to take a blending brush and blend that. Towards the inner corner, you guys, I'm actually, my NYX Jumbo Pencil, this one is in Cottage Cheese, and apply that just a little bit, just so my highlight has something to hold on to. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my pencil brush, and the shade that I want to try out first is actually this yellow shade right over here, right on top of it. Just going to blend this. You guys, so lashes can really change your game. As you guys can see, I put on lashes and voila, this looks so good. So I added a little bit of black eyeshadow to my lower lash line, you guys, and that is because I felt like I was missing that depth because we've got so much neon happening on top of our eyelid. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my pointed brush again and that very same dark brown shadow and just blend that out. That's just gonna create more of a smoky effect onto the lower lash line. I'm not gonna apply mascara, as I remember to do that after my setting spray. What I feel like my inner corner highlight is not popping, so I really want something else intense, and lately I really think this is the best. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that while applying on top of what I've got going on. It'll change its color to that. So I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna go ahead and take that and just apply on top of it. See? That's so much more better, richer, and everything. I'm gonna go and touch up my lipstick. What I have on is the Pacifica Sweet 1, which is this right here. And on top of that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Marc Jacobs lip gloss. This one right here is in Sugar Sugar. Alright you guys, so this right here is the final makeup look for you guys. It looks beautiful, it looks bold, but it still has that, you know, that subtleness to it. Like, you guys, this is the first time I actually tried a neon color on my channel, or personally myself, and I'm really happy the way it turned out. It really brought me again, you know, out of my shell, and I'm really enjoying it. I tried my best to make it wearable for even daytime, and this is what I came up with. Hopefully you guys enjoyed as well. Thank you so much, Heather, for requesting this look. You guys, Heather actually asked me to create this look using a lime green or brightest green possible that I could find into my collection. That is her favorite color, and this is the brightest green I could personally find. I don't know if there's another one. You know, I feel like this is it. This is the brightest green. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did as well, and don't forget to subscribe to your right if you are new to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And other than that, definitely leave down any comments, suggestions, or any requests that you may want to see on my channel. I would love to do so, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye bye.